If privacy is an important aspect of your product, and I would argue that it should be front of mind for everyone building any type of software product today. But if it is, then you have to approach it through an architectural lens. You have to build a system that is private by default. And so if your plan is to gather and store a bunch of really sensitive information, then you have to have an architecture that is very strong everywhere else, because you're guarding contents that are very valuable and a lot of contents. That works in reverse as well. The most private information is clearly the information that you never stored in the first place. The architectural approach to privacy means you store as little as possible, you store it in as secure a way as possible, you control very clearly in a very observable, auditable way who has access to it and when and for what purposes, and then you dispose of it properly in the fullness of time. And you wrap all of that in security, because obviously if somebody can sneak in through the back door, they can just rifle through your private information whenever they want to. But just to drill down on that for 1 second, security and privacy are different. You have to have security in order to have privacy if you're storing the data. But it's not enough simply to be secure if you also have, everybody internally to your company is able to access the database through their standard login. That data is not private. If you have bad sharing agreements for the data so that you're passing it along to other partners who don't treat it with the same care that you do. All of this comes together in the privacy architecture and combines with security to make sure that your users' data is secure and private.